Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on Lbrands. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in lbrands.at login and start your search. As the search result, you can see the first option Lbrands user login. Click on the first option. It will directly redirect you to the login portal of Lbrands. And over here, you can see the login portal. Enter the username within the username box and over here, enter your password within the password box. You guys can also select your preferred language by clicking on the drop-down arrow over here. And once you enter your login credentials, click on the Go button. You will be logged into your Lbrands HR account. And if you guys forgot your login credentials, contact the support system of Lbrands. So that's all for this video. This is how you can log into your account on Lbrands. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.